Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2007 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. So, look at the circuit diagram given with op amp, and there is a diode in the feedback circuit. In the op amp circuit shown, assume that the diode current follows the equation I is equal to Is times of e power V by Vt. For Vi is equal to 2 volts, V0 is equal to V01, and for Vi is equal to 4 volts, V0 is equal to V02. The relationship between V01 and V02 is, what is the relationship between V01 and V02? V01 is nothing but output voltage when Vi is equal to 2 volts. V02 is the output voltage whenever input is at 4 volts. Okay, look at this one. V0 is nothing but from this point to ground. So this is V0 is nothing but this output node is treated as positive terminal, and it is ground is nothing but negative terminal. But whenever the diode is under forward bias, at that time it is written like this: plus minus, P side is plus, N side is minus whenever the diode is under forward bias. So if let us assume from this equation I is equal to Is e power V by Vt, where V implies nothing but voltage across the diode. V implies nothing but voltage across the diode. So voltage across the diode is nothing but P side is positive, N side is negative. So if you write the relation between V0 and V, we can write it as V0 is equal to minus V, or V is equal to minus V0. Either way you can write. V0 is equal to minus V, or V is equal to minus V0. Okay. Now we can express V. V implies nothing but from this equation, the given equation is nothing but current flowing through the diode I is equal to Is times of e power V by Vt. From this one we can write it as I by Is is equal to e power V by Vt. From this one V by Vt, take natural logarithm both sides, natural logarithm and e will get cancels. So V by Vt will be equal to natural logarithm of I by Is, you will get. So V is equal to Vt natural logarithm of I by Is. And from this one we can write it as V0 is equal to minus V, which implies nothing but minus Vt natural logarithm of I by Is. Okay, so this is what the equation we are going to use to get the relation between V01 and V02. Okay, now V0 is equal to, what we have got is nothing but V0 is equal to minus Vt natural logarithm of I by Is. And we know that one V01 is going to be the output voltage whenever the input voltage is at Vi is equal to 2 volts. By that time, whenever Vi is equal to at 2 volts, let us assume you are applying 2 volts. If you are applying 2 volts, how much is the diode current is flowing? The current flowing through the diode is same as current flowing through the 2 kilo ohms, because there is no current flowing into the input terminals of op amp. Because op amp is going to be having infinite input impedance, because of that one no internal currents are going to be flowing into the inputs. That is nothing but current flowing through inverting and non-inverting terminals are zeros. Whenever the current flowing through inverting and non-inverting terminals are zeros, the current flowing through 2 kilo ohm should also flow through this diode. Because how much is going to be the current coming from the Vi that has to go through this diode. Now, because of virtual short, okay, ideal op amp is also having one more characteristics, which is nothing but Av is equal to infinite. Because of that one we can say that one V plus is equal to V minus. V plus is equal to V minus, which is virtual short. How can we say this one? Because voltage gain of an op amp is nothing but output voltage divided by input difference voltage, which is equal to infinite ideally. So that we can write Vid is equal to V0 divided by Av. So V0 divided by infinite, that is nothing but 0. Input difference voltage is nothing but voltage at non-inverting minus voltage at inverting terminal, that is equal to 0. So that voltage at non-inverting is always equal to voltage at inverting terminal. So V plus is equal to V minus. This is going to be called as virtual short. So whenever one of the input terminal voltage known, definitely the other will be also at the same voltage. Because of that one, non-inverting terminal is at ground, so that this will be also at ground, 0 volts. Now current flowing through this one, I is equal to, okay, I is equal to Vi minus 0, that is 2 minus 0 by 2 kilo ohms. I is equal to 2 minus 0 divided by 2 kilo ohms, which is nothing but 1 milliampere. So 1 milliampere divided by Is. This is what one equation, first equation. Next, V02. V02 is nothing but minus Vt natural logarithm of I divided by Is. I is now the current flowing through the diode whenever Vi is equal to 4 volts. Now if you apply 4 volts, how much current flows is nothing but 4 minus 0 divided by 2 kilo ohms. That is nothing but 2 milliamperes you will get, divided by Is. This is second equation. Okay. Now solve this one. V01 minus V02 is equal to V01 minus V02 is equal to V01 is minus Vt natural logarithm of 1 by Is minus of minus, it will become plus Vt natural logarithm of 2 by Is. So if you take Vt common at that time, natural logarithm of 2 by Is minus natural logarithm of 1 by Is you will get. Okay, this I am writing first, positive 2 by Is, so that this you can write it as natural logarithm of 2 by Is into Is by Is by 1. Ln A minus ln B is nothing but ln A by B. So that you are writing here, it is Is get cancels. So what you are getting is nothing but Vt natural logarithm of 2 you will get. That is V01 minus V02 is equal to Vt natural logarithm of 2. This is what the equation you will get. So for the given circuit, the right answer is nothing but V01 minus V02 is equal to Vt natural logarithm of 2. Right option is D.